Hey everyone, welcome back to your Technocrat. Today we're diving into the world of programming to discuss the top 3 languages you should consider learning in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer looking to stay ahead, these languages are at the forefront of the tech industry. So let's jump right into it. Before we get into the specifics, let's take a quick look at the landscape of programming languages in 2024. The tech industry is evolving rapidly, and certain languages have emerged as key players in various domains. Today we'll be focusing on 3 languages that are dominating the scene: Java, Python, and JavaScript. First up on our list is Java. Despite being around for decades, Java continues to be a powerhouse in the programming world. Known for its portability, reliability, and scalability, Java is the go-to language for building robust, enterprise-level applications. It's a favorite among large corporations and is widely used in back-end development, mobile app development, Android, and cloud computing. Next on the list is Python, a language that has seen tremendous growth in recent years. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for beginners, but its versatility extends to various domains such as web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. With an extensive set of libraries and frameworks, Python empowers developers to create solutions efficiently. Finally, we have JavaScript, a language that powers the interactive and dynamic elements of the web. JavaScript is essential for front-end web development, and with the rise of technologies like Node.js, it's making significant strides in the back-end as well. As web applications become more sophisticated, JavaScript's role in creating engaging user experiences becomes increasingly crucial. So why did we choose Java, Python, and JavaScript for 2024? Well, these languages have proven themselves in terms of performance, community support, and adaptability. Learning them will not only enhance your skill set, but also open up diverse opportunities in the ever-evolving tech landscape. In conclusion, whether you're interested in building enterprise-level applications, exploring the realms of data science, or crafting dynamic web experiences, Java, Python, and JavaScript are your go-to languages in 2024. Make sure to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies, and as always, happy coding. That wraps up today's video on the top 3 programming languages for 2024. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment below.